dear listeners. In our previous videos, we discussed about the kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, and kingdom Fungi. In this video, God's willing, we shall discuss about the kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae can be defined as multicellular autotrophic eukaryotes, which conduct photosynthesis. All members of this family comprises of true nucleus and advanced membrane-bound organs. They are quite different from animals. The kingdom Plantae contains about 300,000 different species of plants. The kingdom Plantae is a very important among the 5 kingdoms of organisms, as they are the source of food for all other living creatures on planet Earth presently living, which depend on them to survive.
Divisions of the kingdom Plantae: Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and Spermatophyta. Bryophyta. These are the simplest and the most primitive green terrestrial plants that are confined to damp, shady area. Although they are land plants, they need water for transporting their male gametes to their female gametes. This limits them to moist habitat. Their body is divided into rhizoids, which is used for water and nutrient absorption, and an aerial green portion, which is either thallid or leafy. This forms the basis for their division into 3 classes as follows: Hepaticae, Anticerotae, and Muscae. Division Pteridophyta. These are also known as the lower vascular plants because the vascular system for transportation of food and water was first seen in this group. This feature was considered to be what allowed the group and the higher plants to grow larger sizes than the previous groups of plants. In addition to vascular system, these plants have meristematic tissues at the tips of shoots and roots, which allow for continuous growth to longer sizes. There is also a marked change in the sporaphyte generation. As the sporaphyte becomes the dominant generation, which is dependent of the gametophyte, except in early stages of the formation of the embryo. They also still require water for fertilization, and they are basically non-seed bearing plants. The classes are Rhinopsida, Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Spermatopsida, and Pteropsida. Division Spermatophyta. They are also referred as the seed-bearing plants. The general characteristic are: the sporaphyte is the dominant generation, while the gametophyte is greatly reduced. The sporaphyte produces 2 different types of spores, known as heterospores. The spores are the microspores, pollen grain, and the megaspores, embryo sac. The embryo sac remains completely enclosed in the ovule, which is the megasporangium, while fertilized ovule forms seed. Water generally is needed for sexual reproduction because male gametes do not swim. They are conveyed to the ovum by a pollen tube to effect fertilization. Complex vascular tissues occur in roots, stems, and leaves, giving an efficient transport system. The plants can be therefore grown to a very large size. Classes is the gymnosperm and the angiosperm.
Conclusively, the higher vascular plant is represented by the gymnosperm and angiosperm, which bear naked and covered seed respectively. The gymnosperm wood is made of trichoids and it is soft, whereas the wood of angiosperm is hard. The gymnosperm is either monocotyledon or dicotyledon, depending on the number of their cotyledons. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video interesting, do not forget to subscribe and kindly click the notification icon for more of these kind of videos. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.